Okay, good morning, all of you. Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. That day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today again we will revise this topic, connectors. Literature portion is complete, so either we will do revision or we will do some topic in grammar. So again I am revising this topic. Connectors. Connectors are the same as linkers. And conjunctions. So there are 4 types of connectors. Coordinating, you have to remember there are 4 types of connector. Number 1 is coordinating, number 2 is subordinating, number 3 is correlative, and number 4 is conjunctive adverbs. So a connector is a word that is used to join words or sentences. There are some examples of connectors which are given: and, as well as, but, or, he as well as his sister has come. So that is, as well as is a connector, and is also a connector. Rita and Shyam are brothers and sisters, but, or, yet, nevertheless, this is also a connector. However, so that, as long as, while, until, wait until I come, as if, he behaves as if he is the boss, as if, जैसा कि, because, क्योंकि, when, जब, after, then, though, before. So all these words are connectors. There are more, but these are some examples. See how connector is used to join 2 words. Here a boy and a girl. Here the connector is joining 2 words, boy and a girl. Here the connector is used to join 2 words. So connector is not only used to join 2 sentences. It is sometimes also used to join 2 words, like you can see in the example. My voice is audible to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Screen is visible? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Elephant and a giraffe. Here also 2 words. A toy or a book. Here also 2 words. And here it is used to join sentences. The music was loud, nevertheless. Nevertheless means but. But के sense में. Nevertheless, it was enjoyable. Here it is used to join 2 sentences. So connector can join 2 words. It can also join 2 sentences. Then types of connectors. Coordinating connectors join together clauses of equal importance. Means the sentences on both sides are complete. Equal importance मतलब क्या, दोनों तरफ दोनों सेंटेंस जो है वो कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. ये नहीं कि एक कंप्लीट और एक इनकम्प्लीट. So it will be clear by example. So what are the examples of coordinating conjunctions? I will send the video in the class, or I will send the notes in PDF form. You have to note this down in your grammar copy. Is it clear to all of you? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? कोई नहीं जवाब दे रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to note it down in your grammar copy. You have noted down some notes on connectors, and in addition to that, this also you note down. Then some examples of coordinating connectors. Coordinating connectors के example है and, but, or. And is used as a conjunction when the words or phrases are of equal importance. दोनों तरफ के sentences जो है वो complete sentences होते हैं and both conditions exist. Other words can be used in place of and are moreover in addition to. These words also mean the same as and. In addition to, along with, plus, as well as, furthermore, all means the same as and. They are just synonyms. These are synonyms. All these words, जितने भी words लिखा हुआ है वो it can be used in place of and. तो जैसे कि ये टॉम एंड हैरी प्ले हॉकी, तो ये दो सेंटेंस ऑफ इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस को ज्वाइन कर रहा है. जैसे कैसे, जैसे टॉम प्लेज हॉकी,
Second one is Harry plays hockey.
Harry plays hockey. So now these two sentences can be joined in this way. Tom and Harry play hockey. तो यहाँ दोनों sentences, if you see this sentence as well as this sentence, both are complete. Are they complete? So both are independent sentences, and when you are joining two sentences with connectors, you can omit some words. जब भी हम दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ते हैं कनेक्टर से, तो हम कुछ वर्ड्स को डिलीट कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जैक्ट दोनों सेंटेंस के सारे वर्ड्स रहने चाहिए. जैसे यहाँ रेपिटेशन है तो हटा दिया है प्लेज हॉकी, एक बार हटा दिया है, तो वो सब आप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक नेसेसरी चेंजेस व्हेनेवर यू हैव दैट जॉइंड विद कनेक्टर्स. तो उस क्वेश्चन में एक रहता है कि मेकिंग द नेसेसरी चेंजेस. इज इट क्लियर? सो a lion and a fox live in this cave. So the two sentences are a lion lives in this cave, a fox lives in this cave. And you can join it like a lion and a fox live in this cave. You can omit the live in this cave, which is used twice. So then we need some gloves and a ball in addition to bats. So we need some gloves and a ball. We need some bats. We need some gloves and ball is one sentence. We need some bats. So you can join it in this way. We need some gloves and a ball in addition to bats. The soldiers rose, moreover they cheered the leader. यहाँ देखो, अगर हम देखें तो इसको एंड से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. तो जितना भी वर्ड ऊपर दिया हुआ है, मोर ओवर, इन एडिशन टू, अलोंग, यू कैन रिप्लेस इट विथ एंड. We found the thief along with the bags. We found the thief, we found the bags. We found the thief, we found the bags. This sentence can be joined with along with. We found the thief and we found the bag. So you can see that it is, both the sentences are of equal importance. Equal importance means what? Complete sentences. We found the bags. So this can be joined in this way. We found the thief along with the bags. The gurgling stream. Stream means, you know, small river. Stream means a small river. Gurgling is the sound of water. So the gurgling stream along with the howling wind. Again, howling also is the sound added to the charm of the place. The gurgling wind added to the charm of the place. The howling sound added to the charm of the place. So you can join it in this way. The gurgling stream along with the howling wind added to the charm of the place. So we studied the use of and also the words which can be used in place of and. Moreover, in addition to, along with, plus, as well as, furthermore. All these words can be replaced by and. It means the same as and. So then the conjunction but is used to show contradiction. You know the meaning of contradiction? What is the meaning of contradiction? कौन बताएगा? Anyone? No one knows.
Difference in opinion.
Ma'am, different facts.
Difference. Yes, very good. Pragya, you answered. Contradiction means difference. Opposite.
A combination of statements.
Combination.
A combination of statements.
Contradiction मतलब दो अलग चीज. तुमने कुछ बोला और उसने कुछ
Ma'am,
बोला,
both
तो वो contradiction हो जाता है.
statements are different from each other.
Yes, statements are different from each other. That is why difference I am saying. Contradiction means difference. Opposites. Between two
मैम
phrases.
समेटिव वन कब से सॉल्व हुआ मैम?
हाँ क्या?
मैम समेटिव वन.
Summative one. Yes, summative one examination will be held from 7th September. I have sent the almanac in the class 9B group. उसमें है सारे dates. कब holiday है, कब कौन सा event है.
मैम पोर्शन कौन सा
मैम पोर्शन पता ही नहीं है.
पोर्शन
हम
तो
class-
अभी तक जितना पढ़ाई हुआ वो पोर्शन है. Whatever is
मतलब-
taught till now. Like we
बहुत लोग क्लास में किया तो लोग को पता नहीं चलेगा. हम
क्या?
पोर्शन में अलग से दे.
हाँ पोर्शन देंगे. देखो पोर्शन अभी हम लोग कल तो संडे है, मंडे को मंडे ट्यूसडे तक दे देंगे. अभी
मैम-
जितना हाँ क्योंकि सारे टीचर्स को
मैम
डेट शीट तो है ही तुम्हारा. एल्मेनाक में देखो एग्जाम का डेट मार्क है. सितंबर के मंथ में जाओ तो एग्जाम जब से start है,
कौन
तो
सा
date
सब्जेक्ट
का-
का एग्जाम है वो?
सब्जेक्ट
मैम किस दिन कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है वो पूछ
वो
रहे हैं.
तो स्कूल भेजेगा ना. वो तो प्रिपेयर करके रखो.
मैम आप आपको भेजेगा. टाइम नहीं है मैम.
प्रिपेयर करो उसके बाद टाइम. तो
मैम सिलेबस कब तक दीजिएगा?
सिलेबस मैं मंडे दे दूंगी. लेटेस्ट ट्यूसडे. Because all
मैम सारे सब्जेक्ट का.
I have to consult with Rashmi Priya ma'am, SP Singh sir, Tawheed sir, those who are teaching in other sections. I cannot give it all by myself. No. That is why today I will talk to them and Monday I will give. ऐसे ज्यादा उम्मीद तुम लोग का सिलेबस जो है अभी तक जितना मैंने पढ़ाया. लास्ट चैप्टर वो किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स था, नहीं हैप्पी प्रिंस था एक बुक में, और दूसरे में क्या था लास्ट चैप्टर. जितना पढ़ाई हुआ है उतना
मैम पैकिंग था.
स्टार्टिंग से. हाफ ईयरली है तो पूरा तो पढ़ना होगा ना. हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम है तो हाफ ईयरली में तो आधा पोर्शन आता है. Have you got the portion in other subjects?
नो मैम.
नहीं मिला है.
नो मैम.
सबका मिलेगा.
in
अभी
Sanskrit.
वही प्रॉब्लम है कि सारे टीचर्स को दूसरे सेक्शन के टीचर्स से भी तो लेना होगा ये ओपिनियन कितना उनका सिलेबस कंप्लीट हुआ है. तो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर वेटिंग. whatever is being taught in the classes, you keep whatever is being taught in the classes, you be prepared for that. With that, okay. इंग्लिश में तो एक बुक में हैप्पी प्रिंस तक है. उसमें एक चैप्टर स्नेक एंड द मिरर डिलीट है. बाकी 4 पढ़ के रखना. बी हाइव में भी लेक आल ऑफ इनिस्फ्री डिलीट है. डक एंड द कंगारू डिलीट है. बाकी सब पढ़ के रखना, fun they had और sound of music, ये सब पढ़ के रख क्या। और so the conjunction but is used to show difference, opposite between two phrases. Let's say the first. Other words like nevertheless, yet, however can be used in place of but. तो and के बहुत सारे replace करने वाले words थे, but को भी nevertheless, yet, however. He is honest. He is poor, he is honest. So he is poor but he is honest लिख सकते हैं. We can replace it with nevertheless. He is poor, nevertheless he is honest. So nevertheless means the same as but. He is poor yet he is honest. So you see how we can replace but with nevertheless. He is poor but he is honest. We can write it as he is poor, nevertheless he is honest. We can write it as he is poor, yet he is honest. We can write it as he is poor, however he is honest. So you see how you can replace the words but with all these three words. It means the same. He ran, but he missed the bus. See, you can see the sentences. Whatever sentences are written, there is a contrast. He ran but he missed the bus. Contrast है, वो दौड़ा तो लेकिन फिर भी उसने बस को मिस कर दिया. He studied hard but could not score well in the test. This is also a different. It shows difference. Though she studied, she could not score. The hill was very steep. The hill was steep. It was difficult for the man to climb, but still he could climb it easily. So you see how the word but is used to show the difference. The hill was steep, but Sharon fell from the horse. Nevertheless, you see, here it can be replaced by but, it can be replaced by yet, it can be replaced by however. So you have to remember that all these words mean the same. The lion was hungry, yet it did not attack Androcles. यहाँ भी हम yet को but, nevertheless, yet से, yet तो है ही, however से replace कर सकते हैं. He is from England, however he speaks Chinese very well. Here also you can see, you can replace it with but, you can replace it with yet, you can replace it with nevertheless. So but, nevertheless, however, yet. But, nevertheless, however, yet, all the four connectors mean the same, and they are used to express the difference, the contrast, contradiction. Is it clear? Then we come to the use of or. Use of or. When we need to express a choice between two words or phrases, we use or. जैसे, would you take a cup of tea or coffee? Choice, tea or coffee. So or is used to express, you have to remember, it is used, or is used to express choice. As you see, or is used to express choice. Would you take a cup of tea or coffee? Shall we buy a book or a toy? Sit on the bench or on the grass. So you can see how it is a choice. Book or toy, sit on the bench or grass. All the sentences you can see, it expresses choice. So or is used to express choice. And but, however, yet, nevertheless, used to express difference or contrast. Then, as I told you earlier also, there are some pairs of connectors which are used together. Conjunctions used in pairs, they are called correlative. जो दो वर्ड एक साथ यूज होते हैं उनका नाम है कोरिलेटिव। अभी हमने पढ़ा कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस विच जॉइन द sentences of equal importance, means complete sentences on both sides. Then correlative used in pairs, either or. Either or means any of the two. Any of the two. Then neither nor means none of the two. दोनों में से कोई नहीं. None of the two. Either or, neither nor. Either Peter or John. Either Peter or John has taken the book. It is neither hot nor tasty. Means hot bhi nahi hai, tasty bhi nahi hai. None of the two. So you understand the meaning of either or, neither nor? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you understand the
Yes, ma'am.
meaning? Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
ठीक है. तो it is neither hot nor tasty. Both and. You can see how both and are used. My sister is both smart and intelligent. अलग अलग जगह यूज होता है. ये नहीं कि एक साथ ही both and एक साथ. देख सकते हो ना, यहाँ both और यहाँ and. So you can see how it is used. Here also neither here and nor here. So it is not used together at the same place, but it is used at different places in the sentence. Whether or. Tell me whether you know the route or not. बताओ कि तुम रूट जानते हो या नहीं. Tell me whether you know the route or not. Not only but also. Not only is she stupid but also stubborn. And this you can write it in this way also. She is not only stupid. Not only से भी start हो सकता है, लेकिन not only को हम बीच, she is not only stupid. You know the meaning of stubborn? What is the meaning of
Yes,
stubborn? बताओ. Stubborn means
Ma'am, ziddi.
ziddi.
Yes.
Stubborn. English meaning is difficult to change one's. Stubborn means difficult to change. इसको आप समझा नहीं सके. Stubborn means difficult to change. Then you have compound conjunctions. Compound conjunctions means group of words. Compound means what? Compound means two things joined together. जैसे compound words होते हैं blackboard. So cupboard, like that. Compound conjunctions are groups of words that behave like conjunctions. They are group of words, but they are used as conjunctions. So in compound conjunctions, you have in order that, on condition that. You will be allowed to play on condition that you study properly. इस शर्त पर, जैसे if होता है ना, if, तो if के जगह जो है on condition that use कर सकते हैं. You have to study properly in order that you get good marks. Provided that is also condition. As soon as, जैसे ही. As soon as मतलब जैसे ही. So it will, examples will make it more clear. In order that, I bought all the books in order that you may study. So you see, it means the same as so that. On condition that, the teacher excused him on condition that he would not repeat the mistake. इस शर्त पर. जैसे कंडीशन मतलब शर्त होता है, तो ऑन कंडीशन दैट मीन्स इस शर्त पर. Then Sarah would not marry him even if, you can see these are compound words, two words joined together in order that, इसमें तीन word join हुआ एक साथ on condition that. So these are compound, means two or three words have joined together. So earlier we saw correlative. Correlative are two words used at different places in the sentence. But here compound is different. It is used together. Two or three words, they are used together. There is no gap. On condition that Sarah would marry him even if he proposed to her. Would not marry. तब भी प्रपोज करे तब भी सारा उससे शादी नहीं करेगी. I kept my work so that I could spend time with my daughter. So that is a very common word. You all must be knowing that. So that. So that is common word in order that, on condition that. You understood the use of these conjunctions? Did you understand the use of this? Provided that. Provided that is also on condition. It means the same on condition. जैसे सेंटेंस पढ़ने से मीनिंग उसका क्लियर हो जाता है. You can take leave provided that you work overtime later. So he can take leave on the condition that he has to work overtime later. इस शर्त पर. तो provided that also means on condition. Rex behaves as though he is the... हाँ क्या? Anyone wants to ask anything? Do you want to ask anything? Rex is the name. Rex behaves as though he is the boss. So you can see as though is also a compound conjunction. As and though used together. Monica as well as Veronica. As well as is also a very common word. Me as well as my brother study together. So as soon as, जैसे ही, as soon as का मतलब जैसे ही. Mr. Ford plans to pay off his loan as soon as he gets his bonus. जैसे ही Mr. Ford को बोनस मिलेगा वो अपना लोन चुका देंगे. As soon as, it means जैसे ही. So all these are compound conjunctions because two or three words are used together as a connector. As if it looks as if there is going to be a storm. ये as if का use है, तो यहाँ से हमारा sentence start हुआ. It looks as if there is going to be, ऐसा लगता है जैसा कि कोई तूफान आने वाला है. As if, जैसा कि. So now you understand the use of these compound connectors. Then we have as if. ये हो गया subordinating. जैसे coordinating conjunctions हमने पढ़ा कि दोनों सेंटेंस अपने आप में कंप्लीट हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है कि एक सेंटेंस दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट होता है. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends. एक सेंटेंस जो है दूसरे पर निर्भर है, उसका मीनिंग कंप्लीट नहीं है अलग से. I will go to the market if it rains. So here you see that one sentence is complete. I will not go to the market if it rains. One sentence is complete and one sentence is incomplete. So here you join it with if. So if is a subordinating conjunction. All these conjunctions which we are now subordinate, which we are now going to deal, they are subordinating conjunctions. The situation, I will not go to the market is dependent on the condition if it rains. एक जो है वो दूसरे पर निर्भर करता है. I will not go to the market. It is dependent on the condition if it rains. So you can see how one is dependent on the other. You can go and play after you have done the dishes. So here also one sentence is dependent on the other. तुम तभी खेल सकते हो after you have done the dishes. So here both the sentences are not complete by itself. They are interlinked. One is dependent on the other. So here you have subordinating conjunctions. After, तो ये सब याद रखना है कि if, after, because King Midas was unhappy because his daughter turned to gold. So the reason of his unhappiness, it is dependent on the other sentence. Because his daughter turned to gold. You must dig the earth till you find water. So you have to remember all these are subordinating connectors. Observe the use of connectors in these sentences. Lydia likes to sing and dance when she is happy.
Ma'am.
क्या बोलो? Time over हो गया है. Okay. We'll continue. These are just examples of connectors. Observe the use of connectors. Lydia likes to sing and dance when she is happy. When is the connector. We can paint our house red or white. यहाँ दो connector है और but. Then Harry is intelligent, however he is lazy. However again means the same as but, yet, nevertheless. I told you but means the same as nevertheless. He must wake up or he will regret it. Again one more connector or. I left the party because is the connector. Moreover, it was quite late. In addition to, moreover matlab in addition. He was sad and tired along with being very hungry when a wizard. So you can see how many connectors are used in to join a long sentence. Okay. So we will end our class here. You have to prepare yourself for the next class. So we'll continue this topic on Monday, and on Monday I will consult with the teachers and give you the portion also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In Moments book, it is very clear. You prepare the 4 chapters. Beginning with lost child till the happy prince and delete till the happy prince. उसमें ठीक है. Monday
Bye, ma'am.
tell you very clearly what is the portion. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Have
Bye,
a
ma'am.
nice day, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is the portion?
Bye, ma'am.
Portion I told you, no, I'll tell you on Monday. I have to consult with the other teachers. Then only I